What's the meaning of album? Album. 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 Album.
An album is a collection of related audio recordings, typically made by a music artist or group. It usually features multiple songs or tracks and is intended to be listened to as a complete work. Albums can be released in various formats, such as vinyl, CD, or digital downloads. They are often categorized by genre and can serve as a marketing tool for an artist to promote their music. In addition to providing a way for fans to access and enjoy a body of work, albums can also be considered artistic expressions in their own right.